Good morning, everyone. Today is July 12, 2019. Current time is 6:20 Pacific time in the morning. Today is a Friday. So Friday, normally we don't want to carry a trade over the weekend. At least we make profit. So now just get direct to the market first, and then I will share a little bit why we need a tight stop at the end of the video, as I promised on yesterday's video. All right, as this 4-hour chart yesterday, I say the market has a false breakout when the market was right here. And then I say place a trade. The trading plan is to trade somewhere at, let me go this smaller and 15-minute chart. When the market is running right here, I say place a trade order. We don't want to get in too early. Even that's sometimes with our tight stop, right? So because I use tight stop, right? So if we get in too early, sometimes when we are correct, we get stop out before we see profit, right? So for instance, yesterday was trading right here. If I place a trade order, when I see the market running in this area, I will get stop out. If I place a trade order right here, if I have my 20 pick stop, I will just stop out right here. So if you review my yesterday's video, I would say trade around the zone. The zone will give you some safe idea. Because how to draw this zone is another story. Okay, I probably will share this later. So I say place a trade, sell limit order on 1.1270. 1.1270. And with a 20 pick stop. Okay, so your stop is 1.1290. I want to place a 15 pick stop. So I say I will place an order 1.1275. All right, so I use a tight stop, so I have to sacrifice the early selling order, and which is a huge sacrifice. The market only reached 1.1275. The entry point, right? I just missed the entry point by little. So if you trade with 20 pip, you're already getting into the market, and now you can see the profit already. So right now it's about 25 pip profit. If you place a 20 pip stop, you are at 25 pips profit now. Okay, so what's today's trading plan? Today's trading plan is doing the same thing. Important thing is like to me, right, is I missed the trade already. So now it's the psychology. Okay, my thinking is like, oh, I just missed this little 0.1 picks cannot enter. So most people, or even though myself, are fighting. Say, all right, I got to catch up because I missed 25 picks at least right now. And then when you see the market, you can see obviously it has a potential to go lower. So this is a psychology game. What I need to do is I need to accept the risk. I need to accept every time I get into the market, I need to accept I raise my money. And also because I trade tight stop, I get to accept the risk of missing the trade. So the psychology is you have to accept risk. Risk, lose money, risk, miss a trade. It's easy to say than done. I tell you, it's really hard. It's really hard. But with responsible to everybody. So I will say at this time, I couldn't find an entry point. So if To me, I missed the trade. For you, if you follow my trading plan yesterday and get into 1.1270, at this time is a good time to move your stop to break even and look for at least to this. You can still have a little bit more profit, at least minimum about 1.1234. So you probably can get another light pick profit, at least minimum. If you break here, okay, so your profit target can be 1.121. So this is your profit target if you already get in. All right, so now a little bit time to talk about Thai stock. Thai stock, of course, you have a huge risk. You can lose a lot of money, a lot of trades. But however, Thai stock will give you a lot more profit. Okay, why I say that? Let's say every time we need to manage our risk, right? The best risk management is every time you risk the same percentage of your account. And let's say you're aggressive, you risk 5%. So if you lose, every time you lose 5%. But on the other hand, you still have 95% of your money in your account. So 95%. All right. So remember this. All right. So let's say every time you risk consistently the percentage, 5%. If you risk 15 pick for 5%, when you make 30 pick, you make 10%. On the other hand, if you have a large stock, let's say 50 pick for 5%, okay? So you will lose less, right? So 15 pick is easier to get stopped than 50 pick. However, if you get 30 pick profit on a 50 pick stop, you don't make 5%. You make maybe 3%, right? But on the other hand, if you risk 15 picks for 5%, your 30 pick is 10%. You see the huge difference, 3% to 10%. So this is the benefit to use Thai stock. I totally agree with many people say, no, I cannot do that. I totally agree. But how about to learn to reduce your risk picks, but keep the same risk percentage by watching my video? Okay, you probably can improve a little bit. Let's say your risk 100 pick right now. After you watch my time stop loss, maybe you can improve your risk by 20 pick less with the same percentage, or 30 pick less. Then you will, if you get the same profit by picks, you will get a lot more better on percentage. Okay, that's my idea. If you risk less, you limit your risk, you have a better return percentage. Always limit your risk and look for better return. Do not with unlimited risk means you do not place risk. You do not place stop loss. This is really obviously. But people, yesterday I say that you probably escape 100 times when you do not place stop loss. Just one time, you wipe out your account. The market did not go up and down, or it go a lot of down, little up, and then your long order will get stopped out by margin call. At the time you lose huge. Okay, hopefully this can help you I don't have a real trading plan today because I did not know how to see. Of course, I probably keep my sell limit right here. That's it for today. I hope everybody have a nice weekend. See you next week. Thank you so much. Bye now.